If you've been following G-Shock's recent releases, you'll notice that they've been heavy on all their Casioak models. And fair play to them, since they've proven to be a hit. In this video, I'm unboxing two new Casioak models in the G-Shock Fine Metallic series. So let's get into it. These are the GM 2100 YMG models. This silvery model here is the YMG 8A, and the gold one is the 9A. Now, to be within this G-Steel family, they need to use a little bit of stainless steel, and both models here use a stainless steel bezel. This metal bezel offers quite a nice shine and a bit of weight to them, and just offers a little bit more protection against bumps and scrapes. And you're probably wondering what is new about these models. These just look like regular G-Steel watches. Well, the biggest difference between these new models and previous releases is this newly developed silicone band. These are actually super flexible and they're double-sided. So on the outside, it's all party and the inside is all business. This material on the inside is really soft and comfortable. Now, dimensions on these ones are the same as any other metal Casioak, which is going to be 44.4 mil in diameter, 49.3 millimeters lug to lug, and 11.8 mil thick. In the looks department, I think this silver model takes the cake, and most of the heavy lifting is done by the brushed dial plate. I mean, look how shiny it is. It's great at catching the light and really pops in the sun. This super flexible resin band is a new addition to the G-Shock family, and I gotta say, it's very comfortable. It's gonna be great for everyday wear, and yeah, if you prefer the lightweight option, this is great. But let me know in the comments, which one would you wear? Would you wear this silvery one or the gold one? Do let me know in the comments down below. Hit that like button if you like this video, and subscribe to the Watch Depot YouTube channel for more watch content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.